Do not wash your dirty laundry in front of others. This is one of my favorites, and I used it in a different way. I used it in a different way in the book, whereas this is who I am. I'm an optimist. I'm positive. I see the best in the world. Be the light you want to see in the world. So I don't talk about negativity unless you my true friend and I'm invested and I'm trusted. It's only 2, maybe 3, maybe some of my family. But other than that, I don't discuss no negativity. My challenges. If you get that here, you incredibly lucky, my dreamers, because I don't talk about it. If you knew every fantasy in real life, I don't talk about no negativity, honey. Honey, we're over that. I don't bring up no negativity. I don't air out my dirty laundry. I do not air out no dirty laundry. You're not gonna see my dirty laundry. You're not gonna see it. It's not being shown. You're not gonna smell it. You're not gonna get a whiff of it. I'm not gonna give you none of it. Okay, you're not gonna see it. It's gonna be clean clothes out there. That's what you need to bring everywhere in your spirit and who you are. Nothing but clean. Clean. Only but the good. That's all that's seen. That's all that show. You're not gonna see the behind the scenes. You're not gonna see my dirty laundry. You're not gonna see the dirty dishes. When people come into your house, you're gonna clean up the house, right? The house is gonna be clean. The house is gonna be good. You're just gonna only show. That's what I'm saying. Only reveal and show the good things about you and your life. That's all I'm discussing. That's it. Do not wash your dirty laundry in front of you. You ain't gonna watch what you doing, cleaning and everything. And you gonna tell them what? You better come on over here when I get through cleaning and washing clothes. Honey, I'll get there whenever I get myself together, okay? You only show yourself together, clean clothes and all the good things, unless they're real close and they know you, but but have the aura in the spirit, that's what I'm saying. I'm only gonna show the good, the end, the good, my happy times, that's all I'm showing. I'm not gonna show the bad things. What kind of sense does that make? Do not wash your dirty laundry in front of others.